Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
It is the second time in a row that the annual Amarnath Yatra will likely be curtailed. Officials say that after weeks of deliberation whether to cancel or curtail the Yatra, it has been decided that the Yatra will indeed be curtailed. The annual Yatra, which is a 45-day long pilgrimage, is likely to be held over only 2 weeks. This is the second time that this has happened, the first being last year. If you remember, last year a JNK government issued an advisory in midst of the Yatra asking tourists and Yatri to leave the valley. In fact, the state, the erstwhile state, it was a decision made by the JNK government ahead of the abrogation of Article 370. For the past month or so, the central government officials, along with officials from the JNK administration and the Sri Amarnath board, which is an autonomous body that conducts the Yatra in collaboration with the government, had been holding discussions. What we were told actually was that there was a difference of opinion with regards to holding of the Yatra. A section of officials strongly believe that the Yatra should be cancelled in view of the coronavirus because of the social distancing guidelines that had to be respected. But there was a section which within the Amarnath board which believed that the Yatra should be held. Now we are told that there was a middle ground which was finally found, and the curtailment is a product or a result of the talks or deliberations that have been happening in the past month. Pertinent to mention that on April 22, the Jammu and Kashmir government had issued a statement in which it said that the Yatra has been cancelled. In fact, after a meeting was chaired by the JNK LG. However, moments later, another statement was issued by the media wing of the JNK government saying that the final decision is yet to be taken. About the technicalities or the standard operating procedures that will be followed during the Yatra, officials tell us that the Yatra will take place only through one route, which is the Baltal route, and the longer route through Pahalgam, which is in southern Kashmir, will not be used this time. Baltal lies in Ganderbal district, and there's a base camp there from where the Yatris will be taken. Pertinent to mention that the Yatra will only take place through helicopters, which means that hiking to the holy cave will not be permitted this year. Officials also did say that the China-India standoff might have had some tiny role to play because of the standoff. There has been tension in the region, but the main reason of curtailing the Yatra is the COVID-19 situation. The government does not has in fact made it very clear that it does not want congregation of people anywhere in the country. Azan Javed for The Print, Srinagar.